Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you guys all about this hair. So if you want to know about this hair, stay tuned for the video.
Yo, hold on.
Okay, so as I stated, I'm going to be telling you guys all about this hair. This is Cynosure Kinky Curly Hair. As you can see, this is what it's looking like. This is what I'm giving you today, okay? This is a closure. I got 3 bundles in a closure. I purchased a 26 inch, 24 inch, 22 inch, and a 20 inch closure. So this is a wig. And as you can see, I added a little color for y'all, okay? I want to try something different, you know. No, I added a little color. I actually bleached this hair one time. I just ran the bleach through the hair in certain spots, and this is the color that I received. I kept the bleach on for about 45 minutes and this is how light it got. And then I just used my purple shampoo, which you can use any type of purple shampoo. I really don't even know the brand that I use, but I use some purple shampoos to rinse it out. And then I use Whole Blends. It's Garnier's Whole Blends conditioner. And I left that in for about 30 minutes. So I did deep condition the hair after I bleached it. And then I just rinsed that out and I let it air dry. The only thing I do in this hair is spray it down. Add a little leave-in conditioner. I also use my heat tamer, only because it's also for frizz as well, because I don't like my curly hair to get too big. So, and I kind of like my curls defined. So this is what it's looking like. Yeah, I'm like really loving this hair after I bleached it, because I did think that it would look, you know, better with some color. This hair is tangled. This hair does not tangle. I don't even get any like kinks in the back, as you guys can see. No kinks in the back. I've been wearing this hair for about 2 months now. When I first received it, I felt like the curls were extremely tight. It was more like a kinky curly, and I thought it was just going to be like a looser curl pattern. So that is the reason why I did bleach it. So now the curls are a lot looser. So this is not initially what you guys get. I will leave a link down below in my giveaway video, which is still public. So if you guys want to see like how the hair initially came, I also probably put like a little clip of it right now, if I still have it. But yeah, that's what the hair came like. As I stated, I did not like how tight it was. I didn't think that the curls would be so curly and tight. So I did add the bleach, and it kind of loosened the curls up. And I'm loving it now. Like, I'm loving it. This hair is pretty long. As you know, like with curly hair, the lengths are a lot shorter than what they normally are. But this is a 20. So my longest length is a 26 inch. So it comes all the way down to my waist. And yeah, I don't apply any heat to this hair, guys. I legit leave it how it is. And I mean, that's about it. If you guys want like an updated review, I will definitely come and do that. For the most part, after I bleach the hair, I love it. Like I said, baby girl, this hair does not tangle. I don't run my fingers through it because, I mean, it's curly hair. That's not something you should do. Throughout the day, it does kind of get a lot bigger. But yeah, as I stated, this is a closure, and I just put my closure off to the side. You show, see, closure. This is a wig that I made myself. I did not bleach my knots either. Does his hair shed? Only when I wet it down and use my detangling brush to comb through the hair. That's the only time it sheds, and trust me, it's not even that much shedding. Like, it's not bad at all. The detangling process is very simple. This is just good curly hair, guys. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And I also recommend you guys try their deep wave hair. I think that's what I initially should have gotten, but they also have deep wave. So they have straight hair, they have body wave, deep wave, and kinky curly. So yeah, I'm loving this hair. I'm going to give you guys a 360 so you can see like the color more. This is the back. This is this side. So yeah, I mean, that's it. That's all. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be sure to answer any questions that you guys may have. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Plus, I got another giveaway coming up. So if you want a shot at that, be sure to hit that subscribe button, okay? Don't forget to wake, pray, and slay the day. Yes, because Paris taught you. Oh yeah, this video will be posted after Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And yeah, that's it. That's all. I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.